welcome to Eva's speaking test today. So the first is part 1. Could you please introduce by yourself? Could you introduce by yourself? Your full name? What is your name?
My name is Hannah.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
So what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is omelette.
So what is the first step to make your favorite food?
First hit the pan. Hit the pan.
Okay, hit the pan. So where is your school bag made?
My school bag is made in China.
Okay, your shoes are made in Italy, aren't they?
No, they aren't.
So let's find the differences between two pictures here. Okay, go ahead.
In picture 1, there is a museum, but in picture 2, there is a hospital.
Okay.
In picture 1, the man is play violin, but in picture 2, the man is play drum. In picture 1, the teacher is go inside, but in picture B, the teacher is go outside. In picture 1, there is a flat. The flat. But in picture B, in picture A, there is not a flat, but in picture B, there is a flat.
Okay. That's all? Is that something else?
No.
Okay. Okay. Sorry.
In picture A, the 2 women is stand.
Good.
But in picture B, 2 women is sit.
Is sitting.
Is sitting.
Okay. So let's move on to part 2. So I'm gonna have 2 copies here. So I'm gonna ask you a question and then you answer it, and then okay, let's go. Let's do it. So what is Daniel's favorite food?
Daniel's favorite food is spaghetti.
When does he eat it?
He eats it in the afternoon.
Where it is made?
It's made in Italy.
What are the ingredients? Does it have?
Noodle, beef, tomato, sauce.
How many steps are there?
6 steps.
Okay, good. And you're gonna ask me questions. What is Jenny? Jenny.
What is Jenny's favorite food?
Jenny's favorite food is hamburger.
When she eat it.
When does she?
When does she eat it?
She eats it in the morning.
Where does this hamburger make?
The hamburger is made in USA.
What's the ingredient?
It's about bread, beef, and cheese.
How many steps?
There are 5 steps. Okay, good. Let's move on to part 3. So let's talk about your favorite food and how to make it.
My favorite food is omelette. First, heat the pan.
Okay.
Then pour some oil into the pan. After that, break some egg into the pan. Finally, wait 5 minutes. That's all.
That's all. Okay, that's all for the test today. Thanks for coming. Say goodbye to audience, please. Okay, goodbye.